Hey everybody, we're so glad that you joined us. It's Pastor Angel and
Parker!
This morning we're going to be doing some worship.
Yeah!
And what else, Parker?
Bible story!
A Bible story! Are you guys ready to see what Ollie's been up to?
Yeah!
Yes, on 3, let's go. 1, 2, 3. Come on.
It's time to hear a story full of wonder. There's so much fun we'll have learning together. So let's go down to the clubhouse with Ollie and his friends. Let's go down to the clubhouse where wonder never ends at the Wonder Clubhouse. At the Wonder Clubhouse. Oh, hey friends, welcome to the clubhouse. It's me, Poppy, and my neighbor Miss Kathy Sue just gave me a super cool new game to play. These are emoji cards. You have to spy the matches. I spy with my little eye. A happy face. Can you guys make a happy face with me? Wow, I love those smiles. Now, I need to find another happy face. Let's see. I spy with my little eye. Yes, another happy face. Yay, we found a match. Let's try to find another match. Which one should I pick now? This one? Or this one? I spy with my little eye an angry face. Can you guys make an angry face with me? Oh yes, you look very angry. Let's try to find another angry face. I spy with my little eye a heart-eyed face. This was my favorite because it means love. But it doesn't match with the angry-eyed face. Let's try again.
Hoo, hoo.
Hey, it's Ollie.
Hello, Poppy. Hoo, hoo. What are you up to?
Hey, Ollie. We're playing our new emoji card game. It has all the feelings. My favorite one is love.
A game of feelings is fun for you. I know someone who went from angry to happy. It's true. So let's hear this story. Just follow me through. Hoo, hoo.
Follow me through. Follow me through. Ollie's got a Bible story for me and you.
I spy with my little eye. Our friends! Stormy Jane, it's our friends. They're here for a story. Hi, friends. I'm Carrie the dog walker, and this is my best dog, Stormy Jane. Are you ready to play a little Bible story I Spy? Well, great. All month long, we have been talking about our good friend Jesus. Do you see our good friend Jesus? Get out your pretend binoculars and look with me. Ready? I spy with my little eye our good friend, Jesus. Jesus is God's son, and he came to teach us how to love others and to be our friend forever. Jesus is alive, and we can believe in him. But not everyone believes Jesus is alive. One of those people was a man named Paul. Hey, let's find Paul. You ready? I spy with my little eye, Paul. Paul grew up believing that you had to follow a lot of rules if you loved God. I mean, a lot of rules. Paul heard people saying that Jesus was teaching a brand new rule. Not a lot of rules, just one rule. And Jesus' one rule was, love each other the way I love you. Because Jesus is God's son, they followed him and did what he said. Well, this made Paul very angry. Paul wanted people to follow all of the other rules. He did not want people following Jesus. Do you know what Paul did? He started being mean to people who followed Jesus. Let's see if we can find Paul with his mean face. Look with me. I spy with my little eye Paul with a mean face. Then one day, when Paul was on his way to be mean to more people for following Jesus, he saw a bright light and heard someone talking to him. Who do you think was talking to Paul? It was Jesus. And Jesus asked Paul why he was doing mean things. Then he told him to go to a house and wait. After Paul saw the bright light, he couldn't see anything, but he did what Jesus told him to do. Someone had to help him find the house. Do you see a house? Look with me. I spy with my little eye a house. Some of Jesus' friends came to the house to help Paul. They helped Paul because Jesus had taught them the new rule. Love each other the way Jesus loves you. After a few days, Paul could see again. Do you think Paul believed in Jesus now? He sure did. Angry Paul, who was mean to people, became happy Paul, who loved people and believed in Jesus. Everyone can believe in Jesus. And when we believe in Jesus, we love people the way Jesus loves us. Oh, hey, Ollie. Ollie, tell me, who can believe in Jesus?
I can believe in Jesus. Yes, it's true. Now let's hear it from you. Tell me, who can believe in Jesus?
I can believe in Jesus. That's the truth, friends. You better believe it. See you next time. Bye.
So there's your story. And it's all true. When Paul believed in Jesus, it made his heart brand new.
Thanks, Ollie.
Goodbye to you. Hoo, hoo.
Paul believed in Jesus, so Paul started loving people the way Jesus loves people. Paul went from angry Paul to happy Paul. I think I got the story. Did you get it? If you did, say got it. Get it? Got it! Good! When I believe in Jesus, I can be happy too. And I can love people the way Jesus loves me. I'm gonna show my friends how much I love them by sharing my game with them. See you next time. Bye!
These are written so that you may believe that Jesus is the Christ, the Son of God. John 20:31. These are written so that you may believe that Jesus is the Christ, the Son of God. John 20:31.
Wow! Oh wow! Shout wow! Jesus can do anything. Wow! Oh wow! Shout wow! Jesus can do anything. Jesus is amazing. He's incredible. There's no one like him. Jesus does miracles, the impossible. There's no one like him. He's big and strong. So I clap my hands, I sing and dance. He's number one. So I jump up and down to praise him. Wow! Oh wow! Shout wow! Jesus can do anything. Wow! Oh wow! Shout wow! Jesus can do anything. He can do it. Yes, he can. Jesus can do anything. Can do it. Yes, he can. Jesus can do anything. Jesus is amazing. He's incredible. There's no one like him. Jesus does miracles, the impossible. There's no one like him. He's big and strong. So I clap my hands, I sing and dance. He's number one. So I jump up and down to praise him. Wow! Oh wow! Shout wow! Jesus can do anything. Wow! Oh wow! Shout wow! Jesus can do anything. He can do it. Yes, he can. Jesus can do anything. Can do it. Yes, he can. Jesus can do anything. Wow! Oh wow! Shout wow! Jesus can do anything. Wow! Oh wow! Shout wow! Jesus can do anything. He can do it. Yes, he can. Jesus can do anything. Can do it. Yes, he can. Jesus can do anything.
Guys, wasn't that a great time of worship and a Bible story?
Yeah.
Did you sing loud?
Yeah.
Did you learn something new?
Yeah.
Yes, we learned about Paul and how he became a friend of Jesus. And when he became Jesus' friend, he could love people the way that Jesus loves people. And when we become friends of Jesus, we can love people the way that Jesus loves people. Right, Parker?
Right.
Yes. All right, are you guys ready for the memory verse?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay.
I have to put some music on.
Not right now, we already listened to music. So are you ready to do the memory verse? Okay, 1, 2, 3. These are written
These are good.
so that you may believe
I believe
that Jesus is the Christ, the Son of
God.
John 20:31. All right, good job, guys. You ready to do it again?
Yeah.
These are written
These are written
so that you may believe
so I believe
that Jesus is
Jesus is
the Christ, the Son of God.
God.
John 20:31. Good job, Parker. Give me 5. All All right, good job, guys. We love you. We miss you. We'll see you later.
Bye.